I didn't hear you.
That's all right. Woo! Another morning. Kind of a humid morning. We're going to a place this morning with Chase we call the River Farm. I don't know why they call it River Farm. Ain't no river around it. Ain't no river in it. River about a couple miles away. But anyway, that's where we heading, to the River Farm. Got a bunch of fields on it. Chase has seen some birds hanging around, I reckon. But that's what we're gonna try to do. I think there's a younger boy coming with us this morning. We're gonna try to get him his first. Maybe a double, we don't know. But that's the plan. It's 5:45 right now. Got about a 20-minute drive. And fingers crossed again this morning. My camera's steady wobbling back and forth. Alrighty, that's the plan. Catch y'all at daybreak. Or maybe a little sooner. We gotta get the gold, John B.
You don't want me to say what I've been seeing on TikTok about John B.
I've heard it.
That's nasty.
Should you be able to see them suckers fly there? They sound like they're right there. There he is, he's in the field, he's in the field. Both of them's in the field. Don't move at all. He is early. You gobblers to the right. Hemp, there's one to my right about 120 yards away. Just move your eyes. You'll see him when he comes close, and all 5 of them might come up here together when that one comes. But just be still. Both of them's coming. I see the first one. I see both of them. One's probably right behind that little pine tree. I'll tell you when to shoot, all right, Hemp? Don't move, Hemp. I don't see beards on either right now. Yeah, that's a jig. That's a jig. Alright, don't worry about these birds to the right, but still don't move. Alright, don't move. There's gobblers coming. Yeah, one's halfway in the middle. Yeah, both of those are jigs. Pay attention to the ones in front of you. See them? Stay still, Ham. What you want to do, Chase? You want to let him get that one? Wait, Ham. Do not shoot yet. Wait. We could try to let the other ones come up here. Wait. Alright, Ham, shoot one.
To the left.
I don't got no shells, Chase.
Put it on him, put it on him. Hamp's gun went off before it even got to his shoulder. Didn't it?
Huh?
Your gun went off before it even got to your shoulder.
I don't know what happened to him. But I didn't move.
That's alright. Damn.
Oh!
Damn.
Hamp's first shot went in the ground right there at the decoy, like dead in the ground.
That ass is much better than that.
I'm 95% sure because I was watching Hamp when he picked up and his gun went off and his barrel was still.
Awesome. Hey, don't eat yourself up. I know how you get. Don't get all sad on me now.
And it's gonna happen again one day.
That first one that came in, I had a big old deer.
All four of them did.
Yeah, they did.
Happens. I think we should have let them shoot the first one when they come in there.
Adrenaline? Was it adrenaline?
That's when you don't want to be on camera, right, Hamp?
Don't worry, I do it to Chase too.
Which bird are we going after next, though?
First one that gobbles. And Jake's better not gobble. Sheesh. So the plan is, we had to walk up to the truck up here, get some more shells. Bird gobbled in a field over here or right up next to the field, roughly 250 yards away. There's a road right here in the woods. We're gonna try to get back around to him. Chase went and checked the field out to see if he was in the field. But, that's the plan, waiting on them to show back up. Pulling up now, and then we're going to kill, hopefully. Is he there?
There's 5 of them. Couldn't tell if they were all jakes or gobblers or what.
How many?
5.
Well, that one I heard had a full gobble for sure.
It looked like it was maybe one gobbler.
They in the field?
They just walked in the woods when we were going by them.
This way?
That way, which is good.
One thing worried about is the big ditches.
Well, so there's a little cut through road right here.
Right.
They were right here and they looked like they walked in the woods, so we can get to the middle road.
Maybe in that corner and see where they're at.
Like I said, they walked in the woods right here, so they were kind of going this way. But there's 5 birds. I mean, there wasn't no. I didn't see no hens, so we get right at the edge of that field. Yeah, I'm gonna need to borrow them.
Borrow? How do you borrow shells? Give them back to me.
Empty.
Okay. ever wondered why the Lord made mosquitoes? Let me get good eyes on him.
See him out there?
Yeah.
I don't see him.
No.
I feel like that pine. See him
Pine trees in my way. Yeah.
by himself.
Yeah.
You want to try to sneak up?
He's full strut right now.
You want to try to sneak up maybe right now?
I'm scared. I would if it was me.
You can go back to that road.
I don't want to go that way.
If we crawl up under these green bushes, and you and Hamp get right there, and I might crawl out in the edge of the field and let them see this. And I'll kind of stay over there to the right.
So you want us to crawl that way?
Yeah, I say right down this little path to that deer stand.
Just come like this. You come with me. Where are you going?
I'm gonna go the same little path. We'll get right there together, and I might crawl out in that field.
Is that a ditch right there?
Get down in that ditch, man.
Crawl down in that ditch, Hamp. I want him to crawl down in that ditch. Let him come up over there on the right. Oh. Keep that gun barrel out in the dirt, or that gun barrel will blow up when you shoot. See?
He's right on the sun. He's making his way this way. I'm gonna leave my clothes.
Hey, Chase. You want him to follow you and you tell him where to sit? I'll stay right here. I'll walk up to this pine tree. You need to have your gun on your... There you go. There you go. Just wait. I'll tell you when, okay? Shoot him. Wait. Shoot him. Go. Go, run out there, run! Hey, he knew something was up right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I said shoot him.
Alright, now step on his head.
Pretty beard.
Pretty beard, eh? The ones this morning had a pretty beard till you shot it off.
The reason he didn't fall down is because I had to shoot through fire.
When that bird started coming my way, I peeled out. I said, oh.
Oh, he run. He had plenty distance on you, though.
Oh yeah, I know that. It may or may not be a Friday, and Hamp skipped school today, but we won't bring that up.
I thought they were saying
knows.
nobody know. The world about to know.
I'll sit right there.
You gotta get them all pretty. Dylan knows how to get them pretty. You shot him in the wing.
I don't care where you shot him. He
I
dead.
got him.
He dead.
I don't care.
How about that?
Oh yeah. Pretty fan. They'll be into turkey.
Once you what?
Once I get decked out in Sitka,
That's gonna be the end of them, eh?
it'll be the end of them.
I don't know you, but I like you.
So, this morning, Chase there, he hooked us up. He got us all set up and we got out there and they came perfect as they could be. And
How
I
many
pretty
was
much
it?
shot the dirt. There was 4 of them. I shot the dirt and then I wasted $70 shells. But we came out here, walked a little bit, called. 1 gobble, we lost him. Came back a little bit ways. And we saw this one in the back of the field and he went out there with the little Jake with the fan. And he came right in there and just,
What's his name?
what's his name?
Mr. Tommy.
Tommy.
Satchmo.
Satchmo.
About a 45, 50 yard shot probably.
Take a little poke. Hold him up.
Yeah, hold him up like that shit. Don't hold him up like no bass.
Make sure it's spurred.
He hold up like old bass.
How about his beard? Show his beard off. He too heavy for you?
He about to be.
Probably about 9.
9.
You're gonna go to school and tell all your friends, ain't you?
That's a lie.
I would.
I would.
You just said you wouldn't.
But it's a Friday.
Oh, it ain't too late to go back to school
I
now.
can take you back.
I'm good.
Yeah,
you
we can take you back.
Waffle House sounds good.
Waffle House.
We take you back. We make it back before 9 o'clock. You running?
Rolling. Little punk. Do you watch YouTube?
Yep.
So you know what to do then. So what do you do?
Like, are we like, this is gonna be a video?
Heck
This
yeah.
is part of. You got to close this out.
The video.
Alright, so like, thanks for watching.
There you go. You got it.
Thanks for watching. Catch y'all at Waffle House.
You gotta zoom in on it.
The Waffle House. Sitka. Go for it.
Come on.
That means walk.
Oh, we already got it.